Hello friends, this is Dr. Sandeep Karunakarana from OHSS Fertility, Hyderabad. On 4th of March, that is next month, at around 1500 hours, we will be undertaking a small journey via a webinar to understand the entire process of OHSS. I and also my senior colleague Dr. Durga will be joining you to speak on OHSS, is it endgame yet? We intend to go through the entire process of OHSS, how it happens, the pathogenesis, how to prevent it, and if at all, unfortunately, it happens, how to treat it. We endeavor to spread knowledge about this dreaded complication of IVF and help our patients and in turn also our young doctors to understand this entire process. Let us embark on a journey to make IVF as safe as possible, as smooth as possible for our patients who are undergoing IVF. We would also encourage a lot of interaction in terms of questions, comments, experiences from all the people who are participating so that we all gain from each other's experiences and knowledge. Thank you.